You're always chasing what's next in tech. At InfoComm Asia, you'll find the ideas and innovations shaping what's coming. Step inside and brace yourself for pure tech overload. Impressive immersive displays, interactive interfaces, AI-powered tools. Get hands-on with the demos. You don't just look, you dive right in. +180 exhibitors, countless demos. Hands-on with what's next in Pro AV. Ignite your imagination, see the future.
InfoComm Asia represent the forward trend, all right, the new technology, a place that we come and you enjoy, and you learn about everything about, latest technology. So I think, it's a big shout out to InfoComm. I think everybody should come and visit InfoComm.